Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use a YouTube video in your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use a YouTube video in your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, EverWebinar allows you to use a YouTube video instead of uploading a video in. So all you need is the YouTube share link. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dash. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a YouTube video as the webinar, here on the left side, click on webinars. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the webinars you're currently running. So either A, you can go ahead and edit a current webinar, or B, you can go ahead and add a webinar. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and edit it because it's going to be in the same location. So let me click on edit. Okay, whether you're creating a new webinar or you're editing a webinar, you're going to see these blue dots here at the top. And in order to add a YouTube video, click on configuration. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to look for this one, source video. Click on the pencil icon. All right, once you do that, you want to be sure to click on external video file. Once you do that, you're going to see this link right here. So this is where you can go ahead and paste in the YouTube link. Now make sure that you disclose what the length of the YouTube video is, because that's going to be important when you go to put the call to action. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, can you use other people's YouTube videos? The answer is yes, you can. I probably wouldn't recommend that though. The reason for that is because if you're going to be running a webinar, you're probably going to be using paid traffic. And if that YouTube video gets deleted by the owner of the video, you're going to end up with a broken link. Also, another thing I want to let you know is with YouTube videos, be aware of the intro that's running on those videos. So if it has some sort of a long intro, then you might want to go ahead and start the video 10 seconds or 20 seconds in past the intro. Also, another thing is when you are connecting a YouTube video to your EverWebinar, it doesn't need to be a public video. It could be unlisted or public. It just can't be a private video. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video to your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.